Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Pixel 5a device, and now I'm gonna show you how to improve battery life on this device. So firstly, let's start by turning off all unnecessary services. So if you are using Wi-Fi right now, but not using mobile network, just disable mobile network. If you are using mobile network but not using Wi-Fi right now, disable Wi-Fi. If you are not using Bluetooth, disable Bluetooth. If you are not using maps right now, just disable location. So in this way, so these services are constantly looking for servers, for routers, for signal, for own service. Okay, so this is reducing your battery when these services are looking for their connection. Okay, so the best way to improve your battery life is to disable these features. Then you can reduce your screen brightness. Of course, you have a LED display on your device, so you can enable dark mode on your device, because if you have LED panel on your phone, so in places where you have black places, in dark places in your screen, in black places, screen is disabled completely. For example, here my screen is completely disabled, and for example here my screen is enabled everywhere now. But if you will open settings, then you will scroll down, open display, and choose dark theme. Now, as you can see, I have my screen black, and in these black places my screen is disabled, and screen enabled only in white places, in light places. Okay, so this will improve your battery life. And of course, the last action you can do to improve battery life is to enable power saving mode. So find the battery and just enable battery saver. Okay, I need to try again. Wait, battery saver, use battery saver. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.